Beebop. Wait.
You gotta wait. You're gonna get burnt. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Beebop. Happy birthday to you. And many more. Is that nummy, Beebop?
She didn't get all excited.
Is that good? She couldn't wait for us to blow the
that's
candle
good.
out. Hey, is that yummy good? I'm gonna have to do some editing. Can't you get it out of there? Maybe Daddy can get a fork.
Do that.
It looks like she can't get it.
She's getting all the gel out of it.
Oh,
Now she can get it. I cut it open a little bit with the fork.
hold the dish and she'll do it better.
Well, she'd wait till I dug it up even more.
Right.
We got jealous over here.
Yeah.
I gave her some too.
And you got Georgia behind you.